Halo mwiriwe nanone ndagira ngo nkore akasamari kagendanye na inama y'ejo twakoze nimugoroba with Sam from ICDL talking about the workforce e-learning that help our trainees to understand more our ICDL modules. So let us use also Kinyarwanda, no problem about the language. Essentially is to help our trainees to understand more. So as the coordinator of the ICDA, you register yourselves. Ibisanzwe nkuko twabikoze nimugoroba, you log in. Skills box is this one. You log in. Vuba. After weho nka coordinator ugiye kwihindura nk'umutrainee, you come here, you click on catalog. Ubwo umutrainee we yinjira bisanzwe kinjizamo account ye, username and password. Murabibona ko skills box Gervais trainee at this time. Look at. So nkaza hano kuri workforce e-learning niyo twavuze. Ubwo ngende munyeshuri uko ko coordinator nyemereye hari zaba yanyemereye muri system. Tuvuge ko yanyemereye computer essentials kuko yari yo twese twatangiriyeho. Nk'umunyeshuri I click computer essentials. After clicking hakaza noneho iki hakaza amasomo menshi ari muri iyo ntuza muri computer essentials. Hizi amasomo menshi please select the lesson you wish to start below. Ugahitamo for example I can click this one. Hayo nkiritse this one. Haraza akakantu hakaza naka ariko before kugera kuri aka I can click hagati.
Well done, you have completed this lesson.
Niba wenda wayirangije
the main menu or click restart to start this lesson from the beginning.
Urumva kukarita
Objectives.
Ukammutinga kugira ngo amajwi y'umuntu uvuga atazamo bikaba in disorder. Ukavuga uti wenda remi use this techniques igiye gufasha abanyeshuri banjye trainees banjye kugira uburyo bagira iki babyumva neza. Ukavuga uti hari akantu mureba hano on this corner akakaraguha yugakiritse harazamo slide title computer devices objective. Ubwo ni ya unity information and communication hardware software licensing setup. Finally you check your progress. No kuvuga ko ubu yirangije ya module ka restart computer essentials. Urabona kuri mutuntu nka 34 kandi ushobora guri startinga commuting. Ubu nabikoze kugira ngo ijwi ry'uwo muntu uvuga litagira iki litadisturbinga. Show glossary of the unity. Reka turewe ngo show the glossary of the unit. Iki gihe tuvuge wenda reka dutangire computer and computers and devices. After you go where you come here, for example you click go back in the next kari hejuru ICDL ngiriya introduction. Next progress through the lessons, help pages. Train agasoma kantu kose. Look at everything. The course is interactive while reviewing exercise instruction and displayed. You continue to next. Ukamenye ubugiye kuri objective computer and devices. Ugakomeza information and communication technology. Ni summary mbese igiye ibaho kamere nko kaminimiza kugira ngo bibe byiza. Let me minimize. Yes, here. Hakabara amagambo banditse hasi information communication as a summary. Kavuga uti let me continue. Ubwo uri gusoma ibi byose ubisoma ushobora guklika restart ugatangira module cyangwa ukaza hano kuri aka gakona akoresho kwa icon arrow. You click there ugahera computer devices. Iyo ukilitseho urabona ko haza computer ugatangira next next twihute naki ni information bari guha iziri summarized za unity bari guha trainee yize information communication technology agasoma n'aya magambo yubahiriza agakomeza look at hardware akayiga baravuga muri rusange as short summary about hardware hari amagambo ari hasi agomba gusoma click on the many types of computer to learn more about. Once finished press alt n or click next to continue. Baramubwira uburyo bwo kubimenya kubyiga. Click next yarangije gusoma kareba ibyo batanze arasoma keyboard iki azihuze na RAM gizi bayitanze agenda huza nibyo nibyo bari kuvuga processor n'iki byose. Continue. Ubwo kuri buri diagrams are there. You click on the device to learn more about them. Once you finish, you, for example, you click this is scanner, a device that reads image or text and converts the data into digital information. Okay, I finished. I go. Printer, a device that prints information on paper or other materials. You click there. Docking station, a device that controls a laptop computer to other devices such as printers or scanners to make portability easier. You can go back, what is this? Web camera, a video camera used to capture a digital video. You come here, speakers, devices that produce sound waves, audible to the human ear. Look at, microphones, a device used to digitally capture sounds. Ubwo no kandi wenda waba utamenye neza keyboards, monitor, mouse, ugakomeza ku buryo ni summary iri organized, is cables about them, USB, universal bus, this is HDMI. Ukayimenya ko hasi abarimo nk'akabazo ngo a cable is a wire that connects your computer to another device. Click on the cables to learn more about them. Na akantu keza tugomba gushishikariza abatrainees ugakomeza software and licensing, operating systems, ugakomeza ibi bari kubivugaho, ugakomeza look soma ujyana n'ibyo hejuru bagiye batanga ni summary nziza. So continue software niyo bakivuga. You read the theory given here or content, you match with the diagrams provided. Look at set startup, shoot down. Can continue. This lesson will demonstrate how to turn a computer on and off. Ukamenya how to switch on. Look at it. This is practical. For example, activity. Click in to the text box and type password. You click there, you write down password 01. Then click the go button on the screen. You click there. Ukaba bagize. Ini nabyo bizamini bagenda baheraho bwa mbere muri click start. You click there, click arrow next, look at log off. You click there, you put again password 01. You go on again, look at bakakubaza ngo ikingo you have now log back into the screen. Click restart, ugakomeza continue arrow restart, ugakomeza magnifying glass. Click on the image, click on magnifying glass, put passwords. Urumva kumwa umutrain hano ari kubiki, ari kuba familiar with how to use machines, how to deal with ICT. Click start. You click start. You shoot down machine. You can go on or you press Alt and N. Check your progress. It's like diagnostic test. It is like exam. After the module, you can click here. Which of this is docking station? You after